Hello everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome back to our channel where English becomes simple, natural, and easy to speak. Today, we're teaching something incredibly powerful, something that boosts your speaking instantly, something every beginner can do from day one. This method changed thousands of learners, and today, it will change you too.
Hello, Anna, and hello to our wonderful listeners. I'm David, and today's topic is big. Very big. Because if you follow this method daily, your speaking will jump, your confidence will grow, and your sentences will finally sound smooth. This is your moment.
Before we start, a quick request. If you want more daily speaking lessons like this, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to improve English. It helps the channel grow, and it helps us create more lessons for you. Thank you so much.
All right, now let's begin. Today's lesson is repeat after me, the easiest way to boost your speaking. And yes, it is seriously the easiest method ever. No grammar books, no long memorizing. Just listen and repeat.
Repeat after me is simple. You hear a sentence, then you copy it. Out loud. Not silently, not in your head. Out loud. Because your mouth needs training. Your tongue needs movement. Your voice needs practice. That's how fluency grows.
Yes. Think of it like exercise. If you watch someone doing push-ups, you don't get fit. If you listen to English quietly, you don't become fluent. You have to speak. You have to move your mouth. You have to repeat.
Exactly. And today, we're training everything. Your listening, your speaking, your rhythm, your tone, your confidence. Everything.
I love this. And we're not just repeating boring lines. No. We're doing real-life sentences, mini stories, jokes, reactions, natural English. Basic repeat after me practice.
Let's start with simple sentences. Repeat after me. I'm ready to learn. Again, I'm ready to learn. Say it confidently. Next one. I can speak English clearly.
One more. I can speak English clearly.
Now this. I am improving every day.
That's great. And one more. Today, I will practice English.
Time for a story. This is about Sarah, a beginner who improved her speaking through repeat after me training. Repeat after me. My name is Sarah.
Next sentence. I want to speak English fluently.
And I practice every morning.
Only 5 minutes. Repeat this. I listen to English every day.
And I repeat the sentences out loud.
After 1 week, she felt better. Repeat this. I feel more confident now.
And I can speak better.
Now let's practice daily routine English. Repeat after me. I wake up early.
I wash my face.
I make my breakfast.
I check my phone.
I go to work.
Now add natural expressions. Repeat after me. Oh, I'm late.
So real. Now repeat. What should I do today?
And this. I forgot something.
Mini joke time. Repeat after me. I wanted to wake up early today.
But my alarm clock wanted to sleep.
One more. I started a diet.
But the cake started talking to me.
Confidence boost lines. Repeat these powerful sentences. I believe in myself.
I can speak clearly.
I am improving every day.
This practice makes me stronger.
Short real-life dialogue.
Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
What are you doing today?
I'm practicing English.
Oh, that's great.
Here's another story. Repeat after me. Ali was scared to speak.
But he wanted to improve.
So he practiced 5 minutes a day.
He repeated simple sentences.
And after 2 months, he could speak confidently.
If you repeat these sentences every day, your speaking will grow faster than you imagine. 5 minutes is enough. Just 5 minutes.
Not perfection, not speed, consistency. That's the secret.
Keep repeating, keep practicing, keep improving.
We believe in you.
See you in the next lesson.